Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a poem titled The Panther. This poem has been written by Rainer Maria Rilke. Actually, this poem has been written in German language, and the theme of this poem is freedom. In this very poem, poet has talked about the human being and also the animal. Means through this very poem, he has given us message that human being needs freedom. Like this, animals also need freedom. If only there is a difference that human being has ability to speak and to say about his problem to others, but the animal cannot speak like the human beings. In this very poem, panther has been put in a cage, and due to this, panther is showing its agony because it has no power to come out. But the human being, they know that really after limitation of time, they will come out from the jail. So we can say that everything, every organism, every human being or animal, that must be given its freedom and that must be allowed to live in its natural habitat. In their natural habitat, they will be feeling very happy. It is said that panther is the very fast running animals, and if the panther is put inside the cage, then that very panther becomes totally unable and totally inactive. But when this very panther came out from this cage, then it becomes very active. On the other side, panther or animals, they also help us for maintaining ecosystem. Means on this earth there are so many grass-eater animals and they are ready to eat the grass, and their number increases continuously. If the panther like animals are available, then it kills the grass-eater animals, and in this way this nature is completely balanced. So theme is freedom, and freedom is essential for every organism, either animal or that is human beings. It is said that the early life of Rainer Maria Rilke, that was very difficult, because when he was a school going boy, at that very time his parents got separation from each other and there was nobody in the house to look after him. So he faced a lot of problems, and through this very his poem he has tried to convey us the agony or the problems. So it is our duty that we should live happily in our natural habitat, and we should also allow other animals, every organism, to live in its natural habitat. There are some people who have a hobby, who have started the profession beside the animals, and they pair the animals, they keep the animals in the cage for their business point of view, and when audience go there, then they get the monies. In this way, a lot of persons are directly or indirectly related to the animal profession, animal business. Even somebody, they also kill the animals for the purpose of getting flesh, for the purpose of getting their different parts of the body on a business point of view. So we should love the animals and we should try to help to maintain this very ecosystem. This is from my side. That's all. Thank you.